Hello students, today we will discuss the chapter 13 Aasman में जैसे तारे means stars in the sky. So let's start this poem. मिलकर इसे मनाएं सारे यह सुंदर उपहार, हंसी खुशी लेकर आया दीपों का त्योहार. Let's all celebrate this beautiful gift. The festival of light brought laughter and happiness. जगमग जगमग दीप जले हैं, लगते देखो कितने न्यारे, बल्बों की लड़ियां हैं लगती आसमान में जैसे तारे. The twinkling lamps are lit. See how beautiful they look. There are strings of bulbs. They look like stars in the sky. So students, in these lines, the poet is talking about which festival? Diwali festival. So the poet want to say that on the festival of Diwali, the burning lamps look very beautiful. The string of bulbs look like twinkling stars in the sky. Okay. ऐसा कुछ करना है हमको, मिट जाए अंधकार, हंसी खुशी लेकर आया दीपों का त्योहार. We have to do something in such a way that the darkness vanishes. The festival of light brought laughter and happiness. ऊंच नीच का भेद मिटे सब, घर घर मिले प्यार बधाई, मिलजुल कर सब करें ठिठोली, सब में बटे प्रेम मिठाई. All the differences between high and low should be erased. Everyone should get love and congratulations in every house. Everyone should laugh together, distribute love, sweets among all. सब में आदर भाव बढ़े बस, ऐसा हो आधार, हंसी खुशी लेकर आया दीपों का त्योहार. May the sense of respect increase in everyone. Festival of light brought laughter and happiness. So the poet wants to say that on this festival we should spread love and happiness among ourselves by erasing the differences between big and small, high and low. वातावरण को जो दूषित करता, बारूद ना ऐसा हम चलाएं, जागृत हैं हम इस क्षेत्र में, ऐसा शुभ संदेश फैलाएं. We should not use gunpowder and harmful cracker that pollute the environment. We are awake in this area. Spread such auspicious message. कुछ नूतन सा कर दिखलाना, देखे सब संसार, हंसी खुशी लेकर आया दीपों का त्योहार. Let the whole world see by doing something new. The festival of light brought laughter and happiness. So the meaning of these lines is very simple. It is, we should not pollute the environment by bursting firecrackers, but celebrate the festival by sharing happiness. So students, if you have any doubt, just comment. Thank you.